Okay, so on this problem here, what value is equivalent? So it's doing the same thing. It could say simplify. Okay, so I'll start with my parentheses. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. So I have 3 to the 4th power minus 2 to the 3rd power times 3 minus 60. Okay, now I have exponents. I have 2 different pairs of exponents. Okay, so I'm going to do one at a time. 3 to the 4th power. I'm going to go right over here to the side, and that means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 times 9 is 81. So 3 to the 4th power is going to be 81. Now I simplified one step, and I'm going to rewrite everything else. Okay, now I have another exponent here, 2 to the 3rd power. So I'm going to go over here. That's 2 times 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is 8. So this 2 to the 3rd power becomes 8. So 81 minus 8 times 3 minus 60. Well, I have subtracting, multiplying, and subtracting. So my first step here would be multiplying. 8 times 3 is 24. And I rewrite everything else. 81 minus 24 minus 60. Okay, so now 81 minus 24. We're going to go left to right here. Okay, so sometimes these are not problems that you can always do in your head, so you need to write them down. It's okay to use a little bit of space off to the side as long as your work is organized. Okay, so I can't do 1 minus 4, so I'm going to borrow from my 8 and make it a 7, make this 11. So 11 minus 4 is 7 here, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So 57 minus 60. That looks interesting, doesn't it? 57 minus 60. Well, let's say I had $57, but I need to buy something that's 60, right? I don't have enough. That means it's going to be negative here. Okay, remember your rules for subtracting integers. We just add the opposite. So keep change. So 57 plus negative 60 would be a negative 3. So that answer would be A, negative 3.